Welcome to another AriasWave update. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about a potential short position in this crypto called Flow. Okay, Flow USDT. Uh, Flow against USDT. On Binance, you can use leverage to short this. Now, you need to be aware, first of all, that the Binance platform has a better chart for this than the TradingView platform, even though Binance uses TradingView. I don't know how to explain it. I don't understand it, but I'm looking at the waves. Okay, so previous to this move down, we can see that there's a 5-wave move in progress, right? Not very clear, but I can see a pretty choppy 5-wave move, followed by a correction, and then followed by another sharper move down. So this particular move here, if anything, it's sort of telling me that there's probably one move left to make at least one more low. Okay, so I want to talk about what's happening down the bottom here, and that's because the waves look clear. At least they do when you're not so close. But I'll try my best to explain this to you. So as soon as we hit that low, we had a 3-wave move. Okay, a sharp zigzag, right? In the middle, it's not sharp. You can tell it's a zigzag. Okay. Then we had another 3-wave move for B. And then what I thought this was initially was a bit different. I thought initially that was a 5-wave move. And then we had a 3, 3, 5, 3, 5. Still, the trade worked out. It didn't quite hit the mark, but I took profits anyway, just because RSI looked pretty overbought, and I thought, okay, well, something's going on here. So I suppose it was a bit of a gut instinct. A lot of the times when it comes to these moves, you got to think about what professional traders look at, and typically they look at moves from the previous low and make a zigzag. Trade in a zigzag fashion, right? Even though the waves are specific to AriasWave, you got to think about what professional traders look at, right? And I understand what they look at because I've done professional trading courses and haven't necessarily agreed with them, but they still I like to learn. So, but anyway, in terms of what's happening now, I'd like to explain to you what I see. So we have the A, the B, the C. Now the interesting part comes up the top here. So if we go down to the 15-minute chart, actually this chart is not too bad, right? You can see that there was a 3-wave move followed by this sharp 5-wave move up. Now that 5-wave move up shouldn't be there, right? If we're just looking at a straight 5-wave move down or the start of a new trend, right? There's no correction that is just a 5-wave move. So to me, I thought, well, this is like low-hanging fruit, right? Because at the moment, I'm finding it difficult to find good trades because the markets are just all over the place. Okay, so basically what that means is that if this is a wave 4, this would be the end of it, the E wave, right? So therefore, I will take a small bet that this is critical resistance. This is the confirmation of a breakdown, the magenta line, which is the start of wave E. And then I expect a continuation to the downside from this point. Okay, now could be wrong, but like anything when it comes to trading, you got to look for opportunities and take them as they come, and if you've got enough time to be sitting around observing charts, every now and then you see these type of things and you say, oh, why not? Take a chance, see what happens. What's the target, right? So the target here would be the lows. Okay, so the target for me at this point would be a new low. Okay, right down there, we'll make it white. So small risk to reward. I mean, good risk to reward. If you want to have a look at what that is, that would be roughly how can we say this? That's a 3.94 risk reward. Not too bad, right? For a little pickup there. Yeah, so not not a big deal, not a massive trade, but it's something that can happen in a short space of time. So identifying this pattern for me was interesting. I don't expect it to go much lower than that, but once again, we just never know. That's why we count the waves as we progress down in 5 waves. And that's if it goes down in 5 waves, okay? So I thought I'd share that one with you there. Okay, this is Flow. No idea what the project is, don't care. At the moment, I'm looking for opportunities to make money. That's what I do. Okay, I'm not hodling. I'm not trying to think of long term and projects and utility case, whatever. No, not doing it. If I can make some money, that's great. Tough times need money. Well, you could say that always, but anyway. Yeah, so see how you go with that. If you decide to take it, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing. I thought it's a great opportunity to share something that I'm doing. And yeah, hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.